wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car emergency kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Be Smart Get Prepared can slide under your seats or into a pouch behind one, so you'll be ready to deal with an emergency without it being in your way in the meantime. There's a wall-mountable bracket for hanging it too, if you want to stash one in the garage. The pieces are all neatly organized, and the rugged plastic case can handle abuse. However, the bandages don't stick to skin well. At number 9, campers should stash the trscind SOS in their trunk, as it could prove to be a lifesaver if you find yourself stranded out in the boonies. There's no medical gear or auto parts, but it has everything you need for starting a fire and staying warm when the sun goes down. It includes a tactical pen that can smash windows and a quality survival knife, but the compass is unreliable. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The waterproof bag that the Get Ready Now Personal comes in is stuffed to the gills with emergency gear, such as multiple LED lights, a dust mask, and toilet paper. Even better, the sack's made of clear plastic, so you can quickly find what you need when speed is critical. It doubles as an earthquake prep bag and includes food rations. However, it is more expensive than other options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car emergency kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the secureguard roadside is a versatile selection with a fair amount of both medical supplies and auto parts. The variety of tools is impressive, and this bag could even replace a basic toolbox, saving you some cash, not to mention trunk space. It comes with spare fuses and pliers in a durable neon bag, but the pieces are all awkwardly small. Moving up our list to number 6. While the name may bring up associations with South Park, there's nothing funny about the Cartman roadside. There's a seriously thick tow rope, durable gloves, and a warning triangle, so you'll survive a breakdown, which is more than can be said for Kenny. The coated booster cables prevent sparks, and the pieces are all high quality. However, it's hard to put the items back in the box. Halfway up our list at number 5. You can pop the always prepared light and small in your glove compartment, and rest assured that you'll be ready for any situation you encounter. It boasts a variety of bandages, alcohol pads, and butterfly strips, as well as a sewing kit and a safety whistle. It also includes a seatbelt cutter and is good for stopping bleeding, but it doesn't contain any antibiotic ointment. At number 4, you won't get any repair or maintenance gear in this one from Protect Life, but if you need medical assistance, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better option. All the essentials are here, plus things you might not have thought about, like a CPR mask. It includes a comfortable blanket and a versatile ice pack, and it can be restocked easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. There's a reflective vest in the 66-piece geartop premium, so you'll be less likely to get hit by a car while you're fixing a flat. The flashlight is hand-charged, ensuring you never have to worry about changing that tire in the dark due to dead batteries. It features a handy multi-tool, and one size fits most gloves. It's good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car emergency kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, backed by one of the most trusted names in roadside assistance, the AAA Lifeline comes packed with heavy-duty gear, including jumper cables, a flashlight, and an emergency poncho. So if you ever find yourself stranded on the side of the road, you won't be there for long. It includes a convenient 2-in-1 screwdriver and accident forms, along with room in the case to add more items. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you get the essentials in the autoclubhero roadside, such as gauze, tape, and ointment, but there's lots of other goodies inside as well. You'll find everything from a tow rope to a snow scraper, ensuring you're as prepared for auto emergencies as bodily ones. It features a bright LED headlamp and a survival guide. The pieces are logically organized. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car emergency kits, or simply click beneath this video.